Hello and welcome to my cooking video called How I Make Chicken and Rice. Right, first things first, wash your hands. Now you need some chicken breast. I like breast. And wash it. I always wash my meat. Now, like me, I cut all the fat off my meat. Right, let's get the fat off now. See all this fat, I do not like it. So I just pull it off. Now what you do is pick the two breasts up and bring it over here. Because it's still all wet, you want to dry it. So that's what I do. Now what I do is wrap it in foil. You don't need too much, you just need a little bit really. Then I'll flip it over. Get one of the breasts, put it sideways, and then just cover it. Fold it to keep all the juices in. Cooking. There's one. Now what I'll do is get the tray or oven, place it in. Right now it's ready to put in the oven, but make sure you preheat the oven for a few minutes to get the heat going. I'll put it on the middle shelf for 20 minutes before I turn it over, and I've got it on gas mark 5. Right, it's been 20 minutes, let's get it out. Now all you need to do is open it up and be careful because it's hot. Very hot. Get a knife and fork to change it over. get it, just turn it over and then wrap it up again. Same again to the other one. Change it over. Now what you need to do is put it in for another 20 minutes. Right, it's been another 20 minutes, let's get it out. Want to change it over again. Now what I do is, I cut it in half so it cooks inside. I'll cut it in half again. Now this time you get a pan and fill it up with water halfway. Put it on there till next time. It's been 15 minutes, let's get it out. Change it over again. I like to cook my chicken very well done. Right, you put it in for another 15 minutes. And this time you start to boil the water. Let's get it out. This time I only put it in for up to 10 minutes or whenever you think it's ready. And then you put the rice in. I put 2 bags of rice in. And I'll leave it to boil for 17 minutes. Right, let's get it out again. Right, that's good enough for me, that's cooked. Now, what I do now is turn the oven off. And then I take the chicken. I always cut the top bit off of the chicken. And then what I do is cut it and start to cut it in small pieces. Right, this is all the chicken that's cut up. And then you get the rice. It's hot, be careful. You just take it all away. And put that there. Put some in first. You get fried rice. Drain it of all the water. Open it. And you put more rice on top. I mean chicken. Now you can put some salt on. Mix it. Get the other bag of rice. Drain it. Open it. Put the last bit of chicken on. Some more salt if you want. Then you mix it. You can add other stuff on it, but I don't like anything else on it. And then you taste it.